Hello, this is my submission for Lab 14 Exercise 2, which is two-player Pong. Basically, I have this paddle, which is player 1, and this, which is player 2. Player 1 controls their paddle using these two buttons. This button over here resets the game, and this button over here switches from single player to multiplayer. Their scores will be displayed on these LEDs, so player 1's score will be on these three, player 2's score will be on these three, and right now their scores are 0, and for demo purposes, I slowed down the ball so that I can play as both player 1 and player 2. It just makes it easier for me to switch between pressing the buttons and moving the joystick and, looking at the ball while it's moving. And right now it's in single player mode, so when I move the joystick, nothing happens. And when you press this button to switch, you can see that the joystick will move. And to demonstrate player 1 scoring a point, I will do this. So it'll go down there, and when player 1 scores a point, the paddles reset to their original position, and the ball will be served by whichever paddle just scored. So since player 1 just scored, and you can see that the LED lit up, the ball will be served by player 1. So to demonstrate player 2 scoring, and as you can see, player 2 just scored and the ball was just served by player 2. Now to demonstrate player 1 winning the game. As you can see, another LED lit up. As you can see, player 1 won the game and player 2's score went away. And if you want to reset the game, you just press this button. So if the paddles are out of order, then you press this button, the paddles go back to their original position, and the score is now 0.